Good morning and welcome to the regular channel on this Thursday, March 31st, last day of March 2022. Um, we got a weather update again. We have a wind advisory in effect for portions of northwest Ohio, northwest Pennsylvania, and northeast Ohio until 2 o'clock this afternoon. It said, what south winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Gusty winds could blow on circuit objects. Tree limbs could be blowing down, and few power outages. Sorry about the spit, by the way. Um, a few power outages may result. Prepare cautionary preparedness actions. Use extra caution when driving, especially Operation Pro Vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. I seen yesterday, excuse me, we had a lot of power outages in Erie County. 8,000 people without power due to all the strong winds and stuff. Yeah, I know. You don't see them too often. Excuse me. And then winds occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. So, I and good news was Crawford counties didn't have any power outages. That's good news for that. And here's the forecast for today. In addition to the it said showers early, then partly cloudy for the afternoon. Thunder possible. High 65. Wind southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow or chance of rain 40%. Tonight, cloudy skies early, then a mixture of rain and snow mix. Overnight, low 33. Winds west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Yeah. And tomorrow, intervals of clouds and sunshine with a mix of rain and snow showers developing late. Highs in the lower 50s, lows in the mid 30s. And then snow returns in the forecast for a while. Yeah. So, wasn't even windier out here in town and or something. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah.
That's right. TurboTax Free Edition is free. See details at TurboTax.com.
My name is Austin James. As a musician living with diabetes, finger sticks can be a real challenge. That's why I
Yeah,
created
it's
Free
the
Safety Audio System. The painless
yeah, it's
I know how to
the
press numbers without
wind
pressing.
is supposed to
Without
get over
changing my
50
diabetes
miles
settings,
per
I will
hour
be able to save from 8.2 to 6.7.
Take the Missimi app and manage your diabetes and lower your A1C. Now you know.
because according to the hour by hour,
Free at
it's it was like 17, 15 miles per hour. And it's supposed to diminishing the winds, especially tonight.
Let's make a toast to doing more this spring. Actually, let's make two. Introducing creamy hummus and savory avocado toast. Topped with oven roasted tomatoes, vine ripened and perfectly seasoned. Now you have two more delicious reasons to do your thing this spring. America runs on Dunkin'.
So, so, yeah, with that 50 miles per hour winds from last night, it was,
She said she wants to postpone the wedding.
I know.
or something.
So,
Interesting.
Thanks.
With the winds supposed to die down after the wind advisory is done by the afternoon hours tomorrow.
I did.
All right, I'm gonna get off again. We got a wind advisory in effect for portions of northwest Pennsylvania and northeast Ohio's until 2 o'clock this afternoon. Reports expect winds occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour,
of course,
and
most of us do it on our own.
and so so that's gonna be it for this weather update. Thanks for joining us here on the regular channel on YouTube, and hopefully we'll be back on tomorrow on the Train Expert channel for more videos. Talk to you later.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's supposed to get windier. Yeah, it was supposed to be from 12 midnight to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That's what it was, yeah.
I get it first, but over time,
So,
yeah, you got it.
so,
I might be open to a trade.
so, so that's going to be it for us. Thanks for joining us here on the regular channel on YouTube. And again, we'll be back on tomorrow on the Train Expert channel for more videos. Talk to you later.